Hey guys, so today is pretty much my last day here for a few days. I will not be in New York that long because quite frankly there's nothing you can do and the situation in New York is pretty rough. So I'm only going to be there for a few days to be with my mother and my stepfather, and that is it. It's really going to be three of us. Oh, and Abby. I really wanted to take Abby to get her grooming stuff done. Not sure. I also need to get my eyes situated. I do it every December. Hopefully I don't have an issue. I do have an appointment, but I didn't confirm, so I have to do that today just to make sure that I can get that done. And they're just going to have to mail my glasses to me because I will not be able to, I won't be there to pick it up based on the time frame, and it's in the middle of the holiday. So that is the goal. It just sucks a little bit because once you think everything is okay, then you hear then this mess is happening, and there's quite a few people who I know right now who are with the, and including family members, and they can't that's their Christmas is done. So they have to be alone, and I know the feelings because I did that last year for Thanksgiving. I was fortunate for Christmas I didn't have to, but I came home literally the day after Christmas last year. But just have to be careful, and I literally planning to do everything in one day as far as my eye doctor and to use this gift card that I have in one store if the store is still open, and that's it. But other than that, I will be hibernating with my mother, so you guys will definitely get to see a little bit of her and her shady shenanigans. Yeah, I know some of y'all like my mom when she comes on camera, if I get her on camera. But then I have to come back home and be by myself before I head back to work. And yeah, it's just like deja vu all over again. But I don't know how you guys are coping. I know some of you guys, it's another day, and then some of you guys are dealing with it. So that is it for what I want to talk about as far as that. Now, I am still going to be there enough time to try and do some reading. So these are the books that I'm going to toy with. Now, I intend to get on Archer. I'm going to bring it just in case one of the mood doesn't strike. Aftershock, I really want to finish this one. Not finish, I didn't even start. What am I saying? I really want to read this one. It's recommended. And then Black Buck, I definitely going to be giving this a go. Actually, I'm going to start it today. So I'm going to start this one today. Love in Color, I started this and I paused it. I was struggling to get into it. And this poetry book, which is Ghost in a Black Girl's Throat, I read quite a few of it. So I want to finish this because I want to talk about the poetry books I was able to read this year. Not that many, but I'm going to see if I can get into this. Then I'm going to show you what's left on the table. Here's the deal. Not a lot of fiction left, but there's a ton load of nonfiction. I don't even read that many nonfiction. And just to see this much nonfiction that I have to read that I don't know. And I've read this month, I'm up to 10 books, guys. I've read 10 books this month. 10. 9 physical and 1 ebook, which was the holiday romance. So I'm doing really good to still have quite a few more days, over a week and some days. Well, a week. Yeah, about a week, and then I still have 4 days to finalize all the books and to make my opinions on the books that I did like. So I still have, after the new year, I have up until the 4th to read some more. So I'm gonna focus on the fictions because the non-fictions are a little bit more for me. There are a few more non-fiction that I really want to get into. I mean, I'm pretty sure Aftershock is non-fiction, so at least I'll have this in here. So this is non-fiction, so I'm definitely going to be getting into this one. And then, you know, I will let you guys know, and this is, you know, what I'm taking with me. The chances are I probably only get to 2 of them, but that's okay. But I need to have option. I don't want to not bring any, and something doesn't work out for me, and then I don't have anything to read. So I want to have options. So this is why I'm bringing in these. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a portrait book. So today I also was taking a bunch of pictures, guys. I'm trying to up some pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram been looking very much journal, and which is a big thing for me, but I want to make sure I balance it out and still add journal content as well as some books. So I took a bunch of pictures, and then a lot of the books that I did read this month, not even this year, this month, I didn't highlight them, and I'm like, oh, I need to take some more pictures of some of the books I've read already that I didn't show on my Instagram, and add those so that you know, people can check it out and look at the reviews and stuff. Also, I need to update my Goodreads. I think, heavy thinking here, that I am up to 92. So, in my whole head game, I'm thinking, I got a lot of small books, and I might be able to squeeze 8 books and get to the 100. I might be able to make my 100. The goal was 80, so I'm surpassed the 80. But I always, in the back of my mind, always want to see if I could ever achieve reading 100 books in a year. And guess what? It's a possibility, because I have, like I said, there are some small books here, and I can definitely. I'm looking at like the fictions, and there's some small fictions here. So I might be able, and then because I won't be going anywhere in New York, I don't even know how I'm vlogging in New York. I think I'm going to do mostly sit down, or if I do vlog here and there, maybe what I'm cooking, because I still, even though I can't eat the freaking black cake, I am still getting requests for the black cake. Yeah, these people, yes, they want their black cake. They want their Jamaican rum cake. So I'm still going to make it and have people, you know, just come and pick it up at the door, because they can't come in at the door. And which I did last year, was the same thing. That it was just more people just came and pick up their cake. So I'm still doing that. So I might show you not the whole thing, because it's my little secret ingredients, so I can't show you everything, but I'll show you me making it. And then probably just a little bit of cooking here and there, but there's not going to be a lot of outing unless the only day when I actually go for the eye and pick up the shoes, I might vlog then. There's not a lot of vlogging that's going to go on while I am in New York. So it will resume when I come back, but it's going to be a little bit different. So I just want to catch you up on what's going on. So on the blanket, I think I'm taking the blanket with me. I think I will be able to really sit down and focus and do the blanket, because the thing about the blanket is, if you miss a loop, you mess up the whole pattern. And I got frustrated because I was trying to multitask, and I even tried to watch TV and do it, and it's still a little difficult. So I didn't get that far. So I think I'm gonna bring my car is gonna probably look like I'm gonna be in New York for a month. The amount of things I'm bringing with me, and it's only a few days. But I think I'm gonna bring the blanket with me, because I'm most likely, because I have literally nothing else going on, I will be able to sit down, concentrate, and get this blanket pattern right, and not mess up the loop, and finish that. So that's what I'm gonna do. But for right now, I'm gonna update my Goodreads. I'm going to I need to cut the pattern for my mom's dress, because I'm gonna do the bottoms tonight. I already packed pretty much. Majority of my stuff is packed. But I need to finish here. I need to figure out what journaling stuff to bring with me. Hope you guys when they look at the calendar and is going to join the 7 days. It's 7 days, guys. It's a good way to just to end the year, and also to encourage you for next year to pick up a journal. Anyway, so I'm going to do that. So I have some pieces of thing to do, and today is sunny, guys. It is sunny. It is natural light I'm using right now. There is no other light, and we haven't had a really nice sunny day in probably about a few days. Yeah, because it's been either raining or just gloomy looking. So I'm going to take advantage of the light, take pictures, and then I'm going to start watering all my plants late tonight. I have a lot of plants, and they should be all right because it's only going to be a few days. I hope. And yeah, so I'm gonna water all the plants and then do a little bit of cleaning. Hey guys, so we have these nonfiction. So yeah, as you can see, that's 2 stacks of nonfiction, and then over here these are all the fiction that's left, so it's not so bad. And so yeah, so we're gonna try this. These are the ones that I read, so not bad. I mean, I got a little pile off that, so that's not so bad. Hey guys, so I am beat. It is late right now. It is like 11 p.m. Yes, guys, it's late. So I at least started my mom's skirt, the skirt part of the dress. I'm not done. I still have to do the serger because I'm not taking the serger with me. I am taking my sewing machine because I have a case for it, so it would be safe. My serger, I didn't get a case. I'm not bringing it because I don't want anything to happen to it. So because I don't have anything that's really meant for it to travel with. So I'm gonna serge all I can serge on the skirt, and then we're gonna do the overlock on the machine, which I hate, but it will do. I will give you guys a rundown on making it, and hopefully it comes out good and she likes it. we'll see, guys. We'll see. So I've only got 50 pages in. 50. What I'm on 50. 1 page 52. I don't have really opinion because it's just it's kind of like a man, this young black man in New York getting an opportunity, and it's the story started off just with the whole idea that somebody's always trying to sell you something. It doesn't have to be money. It could be it doesn't have to involve money, but it could be things, whether they're a way of life, something, you know. So that's the idea I'm getting from this so far, and he gets an opportunity that's just a bit bizarre, and we're just gonna see how that goes. So yeah, so this is it. I haven't used one of these bookmarks in so long, and I was like, why am I not using it? It looks really nice with this because they're yellow. So I'm gonna end this here. And the good thing is my parents have fast Wi-Fi, so I don't have to worry about this thing taking forever to upload. So I'm gonna do the editing in the morning, and upload at my parents. So see you in the next one, guys. The next one will be in a different location. Hibernating. Can't go nowhere because, you know, the city hot. So, but I will still be amongst my parents, and that's the best thing ever, to be with your parents during the holiday. So be me and my mom. That's it. All right, guys, I will see you the next one. Bye.